If the tool is leaking water from the weep holes, it is time to overhaul the tool. Remove the retaining ring, which will allow you to pull out the shaft. When pulling out the shaft, the bearings and other parts will come out with it. Now remove the brass seat and blue plastic seal. Remove the retaining ring from the shaft and pull the shaft out of the bearings. This will require the use of a bearing press. Pry the shaft seal from the head, being careful not to scratch the face below this seal. Remove the O-ring from the head. Now take all the individual parts and clean and inspect them for reassembly. There are a few parts that I would like to take a closer look at. Inspect the inside face of the body for any chips or dings. Look at the shaft and inspect the inner seal bore for any grooves. With each bearing, be sure that they spin freely by hand and with little resistance. Now inspect the brass seat for any dings or erosion and check the high pressure seal for damage. Replace or rework any of these parts if necessary.